Hello everyone and welcome back to a new series. In the last series we talked about how to use SpaceClaim and explored its features. In this video I'm starting a new practice series where we will work on converting 2D drawings into 2D sketches. Later on we will continue by creating 3D models from those sketches for practice purposes. So let's start or begin with the first drawing. So I will show right now that drawing, what we are going to do for today. So it's a simple drawing. And as you can see, I will put this drawing on the description down the video. You can download it and see it by you better so we can practice together. So for now, let's start in using SpaceClaim to draw this sketch, and let's go to sketch mode, and I will choose in my situation here the y-axis and click on the plan view. Now let's start from the left side of this draw, and I will choose first the line feature, and I will begin from the origin here. So let's start by moving up with 18.34. I hit enter. You don't have to exit the sketch, you still the same. As you can see, we have to draw right now a 44 millimeter edge to the right with a 90 degrees. So I go like this and I write 40 millimeter. Then we go up with 18 millimeter. After that, we have to go with 30. As you can see right now, the total length is about 50 millimeter, and we already moved 30 millimeter. That's mean that we should move also 20 millimeter to the right. But before, I have to go down with 10 millimeter. Then I go right with 20. And for now, let's go and sketch the 20 millimeter down. And now, as you can see, we have a 42 millimeter, but the angle what's make down to the horizontal line, it's 144 degrees. So how to do this? So in our case, we're having 144 degree, that's mean on the other side, we have 36 degree with the horizontal. That's mean I'm already right now at 90 millimeter. I have to add on it 36 degree, and that's what's make actually 126 degree. So how to do this? First of all, as you can see, the marked in blue, it's the length. So let's step first the right length, which is 42. After that, you don't press enter. Let's press tab. After pressing tab, he will jump to the angle definition. So here we have to define 126, and after doing this, we can hit enter and we are finished. As you can see now, we having 42 millimeter edge length, having, as you can see down, we have the 144 degree. So I have to go left right now with 46 millimeter. And after that, we go up with 9.78 and then go to the origin and close our sketch. So like this, as you can see right now, we did the sketch. It's so easy. You can practice together. If you miss something, you can repeat the video so you can follow me as I did. So let's do the next step, which is putting the dimension on this sketch just to make sure that everything is clear and correct. So how to do this in SpaceClaim? First of all, let's exit the sketching mode by going to design and clicking on the 3D mode. As you can see now, we have this small surface which is come out from our sketch. So in order to do the dimensions, all what you have to do is to go to detail on the tab above and go to dimension. You click on this feature here, the dimensions. After that, you have to click on a surface or a plane. So I choose this plane, which is the sketch, and now I have the annotation plane and I'm ready to put the dimension on this sketch. So how to do this? Let's do it the same as you can see on the picture to the right now. So let's choose this edge, and as you can see, you will see right now the size of this edge, and it's like this. So you can click on the edges. This is so simple. And on this edge, I go left and click on it. Then we have 30 millimeter. Then we have here 10. Now we have to measure the distance between this line and this line. So how to do this? All what you have to do is to click on this edge, and you go and click on the other edge and go up, and there you can see we have the 50 millimeter. Right now the right side is 20 millimeter. With this diagonal like edge here, we can click on it and simply drag it diagonally. So we have 42 millimeter. We have down 46 millimeter. And now we have the angle. So how to do the angle? It's the same strategy as above by choosing two edges to measure the distance between two edges. But if you already have like, if this two lines are already connecting to each other, so if you click on both of them, SpaceClaim will recognize this and give you the angle between these two lines. So as you can see, we have the 144 degree. So at this edge here, we have the 9.78, and now we are done. Actually, as you can see here, you can like make it like a smaller or whatever. So we can choose, for example, let's choose 2.5. And right now we are like ready, or we are finished with our sketch and by doing the dimensions on it. So if you can see right now, we have like a small contour like around the sketch. So how to hide this? All what you have to do, you can go to the structure tree, click on the edit plane. As you can see here, we click on it. We go out from the dimensions first. I click on the annotation plane. You can see here you have outline and it's automatic by default. So we go to there and click no outline. Then click on that screen, and as you can see now, it's like much better. So we are finished for today. This is our first drawing. In the next video, we will go with further with other sketches, so we can like practice with like harder and harder sketches together. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the series, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.